Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We extend a warm and hearty welcome to one and all gathered here for the 17th Annual Day celebrations of Pannariamman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam.
The language of the heart, the call of the soul, the voice of faith is prayer. Let us begin this function with benign blessings of the Almighty.
प्रणवरूपनायका उमयवलिन् बालने विनायका देवर मूवर पोற்றும் वेदनायका देवादि देवने विनायका வல்வினைகள் போற்றும் வேதநாயகா வேண்டும் வரம் தந்திடும் விநாயகா மோனத்தின் முழு பொருளே நாயகா முக்கண்ணன் மைந்தனே விநாயகா ஓம் என்னும் பிரணவரூப நாயகா உமையவளின் பாலனே விநாயகா உமையவளின் பாலனே விநாயகா.
May we now request our respected chairman, Dr. S.V. Balasubramaniam, to welcome the gathering.
Good afternoon to every one of you present here. Our esteemed guest of this evening, Dr. Vellayan, former Vice Chancellor of Bharathiar University, Dr. Subbayan, our advisor, Dr. M.P. Vijay Kumar, our faculty member, Dr. Tangaraj, student representative, Mr. Karthik, Ms. Deepika, my dear faculty members, dear students, friends from the media. I extend a warm welcome to all of you for this 17th annual meet of our institute. I deem it a great pleasure to have with us Dr. A. Vellayan, the Executive Chairman of the 22,500 crore group Murugappa. I have known about this group for quite some time, maybe 30 years, and I can emphatically say that during the tenure of Dr. Vellayan as the chairman of the group, it has grown phenomenally, not only in India, internationally too. Their industries spread over 13 states in our country and 5 continents abroad, spanning from many diversified industries like abrasives, auto components, sugar, cogeneration, cycle, bioproducts, biofertilizers, and cycle, and many more. In fact, today afternoon we had a discussion with him, the way in which they are growing in the pharmaceutical, organic pharmaceutical line, and also he wanted whether now in Tamil Nadu is planning to plant trees all over the state. In case if you are willing to do it in a big way for the neem trees, which is being very widely abroad, particularly in the fruit industry, as a final pesticide to be applied on, they are willing to, contribute so far as the cultivation is concerned. To that extent, the group has diversified. Many of their companies like Parry Confectionery, Coromandel Engineering, Cholamandalam Finance, and so on. There are many companies who are all listed in the stock exchange. They are all the big tickets. We call it big tickets means their prices in the market are very high compared to their competitors in the field. And so far as the branding is concerned, they have got many brands which is widely known, not only in India. They are market leaders in many activities like cycles, BSA, Hercules, Ballmaster, Ajax, Paris, Chola, Grover, Pharmapose, and in their Murugappa stable they have got about 32,000 employees working under them. I just thought, how is it possible for Mr. Vellayan to get to the top of these lines and grow his business in such a big way? I thought there are 3 cardinal principles I think he has followed. 1, tireless working. I have been talking to him about 15 days back. I said, I wanted to talk to you, I want to meet you. He said, I am in Africa. Maybe last week, before that only he was in Chennai. Then after that he went to Delhi, then Africa. He said, I will come 2 days later. So we will meet. I will land at 9:30 at Madras Airport. I will give a call. I will either meet you at your place on the way, or if it is not convenient for you, that's what he said, if it is not convenient for you, maybe we will meet at office at 1 o'clock. So much is the way in which hard work he has put in. That is one of the reasons why this group has been successful. Number 2, we have been always talking of ethical values. We want, you study, you can educate, you are intelligent, you are getting so many marks. All those things ultimately, all they say, if you don't have ethical standards, whatever you do with your technology, if it is going for the ruining of a man or a country or a soil, it is of no use. It should be useful for the welfare of the society. So is the case with them. They have been the one, just like Tatas, they practice no corruption. They will never pay for anything and get the license. That is a policy. If you look to their industries, they have been all arcade industries only. It is not the green field. They don't put up industries because, the license charge is there, so many hurdles are there. Never they have gone for it. They have been always decided to go for industries which are ready for sale. To tell you about 3 years back, he secured 3 big sugar factories in Karnataka at one stroke. At one stroke, he got 3 sugar factories in Karnataka. Like which they were expanding the factories, and the ethical standard they follow is of a very high value, high standard. Number 2. Number 3, they are adaptable to changes. They belong to Nagarathar family. They were always, look to always, so many things. They will not like to sell any of their properties like that. But in his case, it's not the case. So long it is not working well, dispose it off. Don't try to add the burden. Years together, dispose off. Same time with partners. They have been doing a good business in Andhra with Cargill, one of the MNCs in a refinery. One day he said, no, if we are not going together, come on, take the checks 450 crores, one stroke, I take over the industry. Like that, he has been adaptable for changes to improve, to meet the need of the day. So these are the qualities, I think, which has brought to this high level, and I wish to really appreciate these efforts in doing his business. So I thought I should bring a person of such high ethical standards, high values, high, successful entrepreneur to show it to you that this is a man that you can just follow as a role model. I am very happy with all these things. I know is so simple to tell you. Our company is not even 1/10 of, our group is not 1/10 of his group. Even now, he will travel only a small car, just like a Honda only, he will travel. Though I travel in a Benz car, he will never think of it. It's so simple. Why I am telling is, these are the qualities that has brought his company to the highest level. On behalf of all of you, the students, faculty, I am extremely happy to extend a warm welcome to him. We are supposed to have with us the Vice Chairman of AICTE, Mr. Avinash Pant today. Unfortunately, he telephoned to me yesterday that he has taken over the office only just 2 months back. The Honorable Minister for Human Resources called for a meeting today. Being the first meeting with the Minister, I am unable to, get away from Delhi. Please excuse me. Kindly convey my greetings, congratulations to all your students and faculty members. This is the message I got. I wish to convey it to you. Then we come to the subject of today's function, annual day. What is annual day? It's a day more like a birthday or a birth anniversary. We used to recall with rejoice all our achievements which have happened during the last year. There are many which I would not be able to tell all the way because the principal is going to narrate the successes that we have achieved. I can tell you, I am extremely happy. Not only happy, I am proud with the amazing performance achieved by our students with the help of our faculty during the year under report. There have been many achievements, not only domestic, but internationally too. I wish to only quote 1 or 2 for want of time, and anyhow, our principal is going to make in this report all those details. Naturally, every year we conduct a national program by name Futura. Paper presentation and science and technology and design context. Every year we conduct. This year, I can tell you with pride, it was conducted in such a way, the 3 days were very more festive look in the entire campus. The students from many colleges, not only from Tamil Nadu, also from other states, participated. Many schools and over 5,000 also visited and had witnessed the wonderful design context made not only by the student, by the students from other colleges also. The experience of the students from other colleges who participated in the Futura, they said it is amazing. We had never thought that the students of Banariaman will be so hospitable, take care of all our requirements. not only the way the infrastructure has been built, not only the faculty people who are able to follow the teaching learning process, not only the projects shown or exhibited in the context are so overwhelming, everything they did it perfectly with precision. In fact, this time we handed over the entire Futura conduct with 3 women commandos. I don't know, they are here. If they are there, please stand up. Please stand up. There is one more, Charmila, who is here. They have been fully supported by the student coordinators. Mr. Sirjit and Sabarmati, are you here? Not here. Maybe along with them, there have been about 27 or 29 again conveners, student conveners. Are you there? Please stand up. No. Oh, they are in auditorium. Okay. Why I wanted to make them to stand, I want to give them a big hand. Please give a big hand to all of them. Thank you, Valarmadi, Dr. Valarmadi, Dr. Prabha, Dr. Sarmila, Mr. Sirjit, Mr. Sabarmadi, and all their coordinators who participated made it a proud moment for all of us. I wish to thank all of you for the wonderful job you have done. Next, please sit down, take your seat. Next, see, internationally, our college is going to represent shortly in China in August. You all know about it. The embedded system, high-end embedded system, for which we established a lab with a collaboration with the Freescale Semiconductors Limited, conducted a smart car race in February. There were 3 nodal centers. One, Banarima Institute of Technology. Number 2 in Noida Semiconductors Office. Third is Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Totally 247 teams from 70 engineering colleges participated. Why I am telling all these things to Dr. Velayan, you will have a prestigious students from our college. It will add more prestige to your institution, Muruga group. You take the students from us. That is why I am telling all these things. $247 teams from 70 engineering colleges all over the country participated in 3 nodal centers. Finally, 48 teams were selected. After that, 11 teams are from our college. Out of 48 teams, 21 teams had passed the race without derailing. Without derailing, 21 teams only succeeded. Out of the 21 teams, first rank has come to our college with Mr. Karthik and Mr. Other two are, you are here? Naveen and Jagdish, all of you are here? They have come, they are in auditorium. They have come because they want to have an air conditioned, so they are there. Very good. They did a good job. I think this is the first time out of the last 3 years, within 20.4, because it was only 25 seconds to pass through the 34-meter circuit. This is the one, this team has been able to reduce the time into 20.4 seconds and got 2 lakhs as the prize. They are going to participate in China, compete with their competitors, colleagues from Brazil, China, Malaysia, Mexico, USA, Japan, Korea, and Russia. And it is my wish, it is the wish of all these people at the dais, it is the wish of our faculty, it is the wish of all of you that they come back with again the first prize from the international level also. My hearty congratulations to them. Next, in that team, next came the Nirma University. Third came the Delhi Technology University. Fourth again came to Deepika, our lady candidate, along with Kanimali and Gayatri, got the fourth prize. So they have brought name and fame for this college, and I wish to congratulate them, wish them come back again from China with another, prize, first prize, which means you are getting it. It is not anybody else. It is the students of Banariaman. It is the faculty of Banariaman who have done the entire job. And the mentor has been Mr. Nirmal. Where is he, Mr. Nirmal? Nirmal. He's the one. Yeah. Please stand up and give a big hand to all of these three people. Please stand up and go. Thank you. No, it is not just for the sake of it. It is not that we are appreciating just for the sake of encouraging. Really, they have done a good job. Even last time when Dr. Vijay Kumar spoke at the same stage, he said a day is going to come, driverless car is going to be there. Driverless car is going to be there. All by navigation. There will not be any accident. He has quoted something also. Asoka's rule, kingship was previously what has happened. All with war, சண்டை, சச்சரவு, கொலை, எத்தினி பணங்க இதிலிருந்து பார்த்து போட்டு அவர் என்ன சொன்னார், இது கூடாது. It should be always, people should love each other, they should help each other. He changed the total kingship கோட ஒரு நோக்கத்தையே கம்ப்ளீட்டாக மாற்றினார். அது மாதிரி இங்கே ஆக்சிடென்ட்டு, இன்னைக்கு காலையில் பேப்பர் பார்த்தாலும் என்ன வருது, இங்கே ஆக்சிடென்ட் இத்தனை பேர் சேர்த்துறாங்க, அத்தனை பேர் சேர்த்தாங்க. இட்ஸ் a pity to look at the paper in the morning. அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றுமே இல்லாத அளவுக்கு கொண்டு போகிறதுக்கு ஒரு ப்ரீகர்சராக இந்த நேவிகேட்டட் ஸ்மார்ட் கார் இன்டெலிஜென்ட் காரை இவங்க பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதற்காக இவர்களுக்கு நம்மளுடைய வணக்கத்தையும் நம்மளுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்வதில் மிக்க மகிழ்ச்சி அடைய வேண்டும். ப்ளீஸ் டேக் யூர் சீட். ப்ளீஸ் டேக் யூர் சீட். சரி, இதெல்லாம் இருக்கட்டும். கடைசியில் சப்ஜெக்டுக்கு வருவோம். ஏன்னா இது எதுக்காக நடத்துகிறோம் இந்த காலேஜ் அப்படிங்கிறத உங்களுக்கு சொல்லணும்னு மனசில் இருந்துட்டு இருந்தது. அது சொல்லாமையே தள்ளி போயிட்டு இருந்தது. ஆனால் இன்னொரு மீட்டிங் நான் உங்களோட எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் அதை ஒருத்தருமே கிடையாது, நானே நீங்கள் மட்டும்தான். ஏன்னா ஐ வாண்ட் டு டாக் டு யூ அபவுட் மை லைஃப் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி. என்ன கஷ்டங்கள்லாம் பட்டேன், எப்படி வந்தேன் அப்படிங்கிறதெல்லாம் ஐ வாண்ட் டு டெல் யூ. நான் ஐ கம் வித் வெரி வெரி ஸ்மால் ஃபேமிலி. அதனால் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் அதெல்லாம். ஆனால் இந்த அளவுக்கு வர முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு உறுதியை உங்களுக்கு எடுத்து சொல்கிறதுக்காக தான் நான் இப்போல்லாம் சொல்கிறேன். இல்லை, என்னோட மை இன்டென்ஷன் ஒரு காலேஜ் போட்டு ஒரு பெருசாக போட்டு பணம் சம்பாரிச்சு பண்ணவங்க. எனக்கு பணம் சம்பாதிக்கிறது தெரியும், அது மிஸ்டர் வெள்ளையனுக்கு தெரியும். இன்றைக்கி பனாரியம் குரூப் சுகர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி எடுத்துன்னா வி ஆர் இந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு 5ல் இருக்கிறோம். எப்போ ஆல் இண்டியா லெவலில் 550 ஃபேக்ட்ரிஸில் வி ஆர் வித்தின் ஃபஸ்ட் 5. என்னோட இன்டென்ஷன் எதுக்கு என்ன, ஐ ஆம் ஸ்பெண்டிங் மணி லைக் எனி திங். ஐ எம் நாட் பாதர்ட். காட் கிவ்ஸ் மீ, ஐ எம் ஸ்பெண்டிங் மணி. எதுக்காக இது பண்ணுறேன், இந்த இன்ஸ்டியூட் அது போலவே பன்னாரியம்மன் சுகர்ஸ் போலவே இந்தியாவில் இருக்கிற இன்ஜினியரிங் இன்ஸ்டியூட் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு 5க்குள்ளே வரணும் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னோட எண்ணம். அது தனிப்பட்ட என்னால் முடியுமா, மனசில் எண்ணங்கள் இருக்கலாம், முடியாது. அது யார் பண்ண முடியும், ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி பீப்புள் பண்ணணும், நீங்கள் பண்ணணும். உங்களால் பண்ண முடியும், பண்ண முடியாதில்லை. அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்ஸ் இன்னும் நிறைய இருக்குது. இவர் சார் நீங்கள் சொல்லல கொஞ்சம் நிறுத்துங்க, அவங்களையெல்லாம் எந்திரிச்சு இன்னைக்கு சொல்லி கொஞ்சம் கைதட்டு சொன்னோம். ஏன்னா நிறைய பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. எனக்கு நான் சொல்கிறதுக்கு மேலே ஐ செட் பிரின்ஸிபலோட ரிப்போர்ட். ஏன்னா இந்த காலேஜ் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிற பிரின்ஸிபல் அவருக்கு அந்த இதை அவர்கிட்ட தான் கொடுக்கணுங்கிறதுக்காக நான் விட்டுருக்கேன். அவ்வளோ தூரம் ஒவ்வொரு துறையிலையும் நீங்கள் நல்லா பார்த்துட்ருக்குறீங்க. இது ஒரு தடவை தொன்னதரை மட்டும் கூட. மார்னிங் ஐ ஹேட் an occasion to visit one of the classes second year வேர் எப்படி நம்ம கிளாஸ் ஹவு இஸ் பீயிங் கண்டக்டட். உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஸ்பீட் ரீடிங் அது நம்மளை பொறுத்த இந்த வாட் கிளாஸ் சிஎல் கிரியேட்டிவ் லேர்னிங் மெத்தட்ஸ் முதல்ல நல்லா இருக்குமா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு நினச்சவங்கெல்லாம் இப்போ மாறி நல்லா இருக்குது செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வந்தவங்க. சரி, அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். உடனே 10வது படிக்கு ஏற முடியாது. முதல் படி ஏறிட்டு தான் we can go to the லாஸ்ட்டு படிக்கு போக முடியும். அதனால் சிஎம் மெத்தடுக்கு ஆரம்பித்தோம். சரி, இதுக்கு வந்து necessary tools we need it, you know. What are the tools? Memory technique, is it not a tool? Speed reading, is it not a tool? These are the tools we have to give it to them. Without tools, நீங்கள் போய் அதை பண்ணி இதை பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. லேபில் கொண்டு வர லேபை வச்சு லேபில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும்னா without giving you all the necessary apparatus, how will you do? You won't be able to do it. அதுக்கெல்லாம் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணணும். இதுக்கு மென்டலாக we have to give the mental. Today morning I am extremely happy. I went to the class in second year class. The students, every one of you, public with the activity, they said என்ன ஒரு 10 வேர்ட்ஸ் எழுதுனா படினா மேலேருந்து படிக்கிறாங்க, கீழேருந்து படிக்கிறாங்க, ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லாமல் படிக்கிறாங்க. ஸ்பீட் ரீடிங் முடிச்ச உடனே ஸ்பீட் ரீடிங் பண்ணுறாங்க. வாட் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் யூ, தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் வி ஆர் கிவிங் ஆல் த டூல்ஸ் டு இம்ப்ரூவ் யுவர் நாலேஜ், டு கம்ப்ளீட் யுவர் ஸ்டடீஸ் இன் டைம். In addition to that, we give you time for all the extracurricular activities. எல்லா ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸும் இருக்கணும். வெறும் படிப்பு மட்டும் பார்த்தாது. அதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? டூல்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுக்கணும். நம்ம டூல்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அதுக்கு வந்து நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு பெரிய அசெட் வந்து மிஸ்டர் விஜயகுமார் ஐஏஎஸ், உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும். அவர் ஒவ்வொன்றா கொண்டு வந்திருக்க அண்ணா ஒட்டுக்கா கொண்டு எல்லாத்தையும் தலையில் துணிச்சனா வராது. ஐ வில் கிவ் ஒன் ஆஃப்டர் another. He has many ideas. That is why what I have decided, I am going to form a apex committee for this college. இந்த கமிட்டி கிட்ட நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் போகலாம், யார் வேணாலும் போகலாம். எவ்ரி வீக் தே ஆர் கோயிங் டு பி தேர். தே ஹேவ் எ மீட்டிங். அட் தட் மீட்டிங் எவ்ரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் போகலாம், ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி போகலாம். உங்கள் பர்சனல் ப்ராப்ளம் எங்கே போகிறது, யார் போகிறது யாருமே நினைக்க வேண்டியதில்லை. ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ஃபார்ம் எ கமிட்டி. தென் ஐ வில் ஃபார்ம் சப் கமிட்டிஸ். ஐ வில் ஃபார்ம் கமிட்டிஸ் அமங் யுவர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஐ வில் ஃபார்ம் கமிட்டிஸ். புரிஞ்சுங்களா? we are going to do that so that you will have lot of opportunities. இது வந்து இன்னும் 5 வருஷத்தில் I want to make it one among the first 5. முடியுமா முடியாதா? முடியுமல்ல, செய்வீங்கல்ல. உங்களுக்கு அதுக்கு என்ன வேணும், வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்ட், யூ கோ டு தட் கமிட்டி, தே வில் டூ இட். அவங்களால பண்ண முடியல, யூ கம் டு மீ. நான் ஐ வில் ஸ்பெண்ட் மோர் டைம் வித் யூ இன் காலேஜ் இன் ஃபியூச்சர் டேஸ், மேபி மந்த்லி 4 days 3 days. I will spend with you. I will give you whatever necessary help you need. I will try to do that. That you can be assured of that. So அதனால for me to make this college to come within the 5, I escort all of you, my dear faculty members. I tell you, we don't have dearth of faculty. PhD, we don't have dearth of PhD. I think any other college having so many PhDs. We are producing PhDs in our college. I will assure all my faculty members, whatever you help you need it, you can approach me. You can approach the Apex team. Over and above that, you can meet me personally also. I will help all of you to meet out all your challenges. So with this, I request and all of you, please take on your mind. Our aim is to achieve something very high, which is possible. And on this happy day, on annual day, I am extremely happy to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Vellayan. And also, I forgot to welcome the parents. I am hearty welcome to the parents of the students also. And on this occasion, I send all my greetings, give you all the greetings to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May we now request our beloved principal, Dr. A. Shanmugam, to present the annual report of the institute.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, I am happy to present the activities of our institute for the academic year 2012-13. The Banariamman Educational Trust started the Banariamman Institute of Technology, BIT, in the academic year 1996-97. BIT is an autonomous institution approved by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, accredited by NAAC, National Assessment Accreditation Council, with the A grade, and it is also in ISO 9001-2800 certified institution. All the eligible courses offered by BIT are accredited by NBA, National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi. Programs offered. The institute offers 12 undergraduate and 11 postgraduate programs in engineering and technology, besides MCA and MBA. A total number of students on the roll is 5,386, of which 3,277 boys and 2,109 girls. All the departments of engineering and technology, applied science and humanities offer collaborative research programs leading to MSy research and PhD. The institute has 11 full-time and about 4 part-time external PhD scholars. Internal will be coming back. The NBA accreditation. The NBA expert committee visited our campus during 22nd to 24th of June 2012. and accredited 3 of the undergraduate programs, B.Tech Textile Technology, B. Mechanical Engineering, and B.Tech Fashion Technology for 5 years. Computing facilities, a total of 1,778 computers are available in the institute, of which 303 computers with necessary servers were purchased during the current academic year. All the nodes are networked by fiber optic cables, and the existing bandwidth release line 42 megabits per second has been upgraded to 100 megabits per second during the year under reports. The institute internet facilities are extended to all the hostels through Wi-Fi connections. Awards and recognition of our institute. BIT received many awards and honors during the academic year 2012 and 13. Some of the notable achievements include: 1. Recipient of the Sri VVR Sesasri Rao Godavellur Engineering College National Award for the best overall performance in the field of technical education for the year 2012 from IIST New Delhi. And another important thing in the industry interaction is 1/3 rank in the All India level and bronze medal for the best overall industry linked engineering college from AIST, CII, National Survey of Industry Linked Engineering Institute for the year 2012. Obtained 29th position in India's top technical school survey conducted by Datacus December 2012, and 6th position in parameters like infrastructures, toppers for infrastructure in the India same survey. Recipient of Outstanding Survey Service Award 2012 from Indian Association of the Blind Madurai in recognition of the donation through organ donation awareness camp conducted by the BIT NSS volunteers. The School of Management Studies secured the A3 rank among the top B schools in southern part of the India for its excellence in the B School Survey, October 2012, conducted by All India Management Association, New Delhi. Recipient of Natural Conservation Award 2012 from WOSI, Voice of Nature for nature conservation activities in BIT. Recognized as one of the remote center for IIT Bombay, sponsored by National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, New Delhi. Organized an international conference, Convention Cum Free Conference workshop on Innovation in Engineering and Technology for Sustainable Development Association with University of Durban, UK, during 3 and 5th September 2012. Co-sponsored the first World Summit on Accreditation, OSA 2012, organized by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi, from 25th to 28th March 2000. This year also we are going to sponsor during March. And research and consulting activities, important in a private engineering college like IITs. 6 funded projects were sanctioned to BIT by Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, and All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, during the current academic year to the tune of rupees 109.8 lakhs. In addition to this, BIT has already obtained 54 funded research projects to the tune of rupees 911.56 lakhs from various funding agencies. The management provides 2.5 from the Banari Educational Trust, not from the fund, from the trust, from the management, 2.5% of the project grant as an incentive to all the principal investigators. 123 new proposals have been still